3 best ways on how you can make money online for the year 2020. Welcome back to Supermom TV. So today I want to share with you the top 3 best ways to make money at home in the year 2020. So a lot of people call me the dropshipping mother. So I'm always being known as the dropshipper. So this year, in the year 2019, I have several revenues and I've created some business which is slightly different, and I want to share with you. This online business model is something that is not as popular as the typical e-commerce or dropshipping. So for the year 2019, besides doing dropshipping, I have discovered 2 more business models which is very lucrative and you can start from scratch. You do not need any capital for the 2 other business models that I am telling you. So before I jump right into the 3 best ways on how you can make money online for the year 2020, if you are new here, please consider subscribing to me. I make a lot of make money online videos as well as mommy lifestyle video. So if you have not subscribed to me, smash the subscribe button and click the little bell so that you won't miss any of my future videos. So without further ado, let's jump right into the video. So the first one will be none other than doing e-commerce business. So as you know, I dropship for a living. I dropship to my eBay store. This is a very easy and very lucrative business model for you if you would like to start something from home. So I have been doing dropshipping since the year 2015, and to now I have been doing dropshipping for the past 5 years. I have tried different types of dropshipping. For example, the very popular type of dropshipping, which is dropshipping from China suppliers, AliExpress to Shopify store. So this is one of the business model that I've tried before. Another dropshipping method that I tried is finding local supplier, and I dropship furniture at a point of time. So right now I am still doing eBay dropshipping. So this I have been doing for almost 2 years now. For the year 2020, it is still going to be very lucrative. For the past 2 months, which is the month of November and December, I have made many sales on my eBay store. So eBay dropshipping is not dead. So I know a lot of people are saying that eBay dropshipping is dead, but it is not. I have some students which is getting very good income out of this eBay dropshipping. And if you would like to learn more about this eBay dropshipping, I will leave a link down in the description box below. I have made a complete step-to-step eBay dropshipping online course for you to learn comfortably at home, and you do not need any capital for my eBay dropshipping course. So you can literally start your eBay store within 24 hours and start making money within the very first month. My students have been breaking my records. Some of them managed to get their very first sale within the first 2 weeks of starting up the eBay store. The second best way to earn money at home for the year 2020 is to sell online course. For the year 2019, I have started selling my very own eBay dropshipping course. If you are an expertise in any field, it is very good to put it as a course and sell it online. So why sell it online? The first benefit is you only need to create this online course once, and you can market it to the whole world. You can get so much of exposure, and it's just not limited to your local area. Doing online course is something that is new to me, but for the first 9 days, I made over $4,000 by just selling my e-course, and I did not do any Facebook ad or Google ad to promote my course. So having a YouTube channel very beneficial for me, because way before I was selling my eBay dropshipping course, I was already doing some education on my YouTube channel regarding dropshipping and online business. I have been sharing my course to my YouTube audience as well as my other social media platform audience, and these are my very true fans. I did not put in any marketing fees to promote my online course. So if you are an expertise in anything, for example, if you are a yoga teacher or you are good at teaching yoga, you can set up a YouTube channel and teach yoga. In the meantime, you can structure your course and put it on platforms like Teachable or Udemy and start selling your course. If you would like me to talk in depth about what kind of topic that you can teach online, let me know in the comment section below. I will try to share more about this on my next video. So now to my last best way to make money at home for the year 2020 will be service arbitrage business. If you have been following me, you know that I completed a make 10K in 10 days challenge. For this challenge, I managed to create a new business doing service arbitrage. So this service arbitrage can be any kind of service. For my case, I promote some video editing service and I sell it online. So video editing service is very high in demand, hence I created this product and packaged them. I sell it to my property agent friends. I did not do all the video editing myself, so I engaged freelancer from Fiverr.com. I kind of mark up the price. So you see, for example, the video editing service that the Fiverr seller charged me $50 for one video editing. So what I did was I mark up the price. I mark up the price to be $99. So I sell my service at $99 and I make the profit of the difference. I understand that it is not so straightforward. If you want me to talk more about this, I will discuss about this more in my next video as well. Let me know in the comment section below if you are interested to know more on how you can set up a service arbitrage business. So there you have it. This is my best 3 ways of making money online for the year 2020. For the way number 1 and number 3, which is the selling online courses as well as the service arbitrage, these 2 businesses are very new in the market and not many people are doing. So if you want to try it out, please do so before you get more competitors, just like dropshipping. But you can still do dropshipping as long as you do the right way. So that's all for the video today. I hope that it is helpful to you. I hope that you get some idea on what you want to do for the year 2020. The online business models that I just mentioned, they are very flexible. Any beginner can start doing, and it is also very good for those that are looking for side hustles. If you want to have some side income, all these 3 business models are really ideal for you. So I hope that you look into this, and I will speak more to you on these 3 topics in my future videos. I hope you have a great day and I will see you in my next video. Bye!